So what you are doing now? What is the next subtopic? Operation and characteristics. Operation means how the device will work if you apply a potential. Before I didn't connected any potential, say some just a diagram. I am not connected any voltage. I am not connected any potential. If you connect, for example, for your mobile, now this is in rest position. If you connect a charger, it will get a charge. For example, if it is 80%, if you connect a plug-in, you will get a charge. It will become 100%. Say sir, what you are connecting? You are connecting a charger. Here, in order to work this device, in order to perform operation, we should connect certain potential. Understand? Then only your device is ready to use. It can operate. It can have some characteristics. Listen here. First, we have three cases. In order to study that, the first case is VGS is equal to 0 and VDS is equal to 0. Anybody in the class? What will happen to the device? VGS is 0, VDS is 0. What will happen to the device? One answer came, no change. Anybody else? Please try to respond. Here I am not here to scold you. Here I am not here to degrade you. If you answer, if you give me a wrong answer also, in the previous days I said, I will appreciate. If you are giving wrong, right, whatever answer, I will appreciate if you stand up or if you are saying something. I will appreciate that. You may be wrong, you may be right, whatever it is. At least you should try to respond, try to speak out. What will happen if both the voltages are 0? He said no change. Anybody else? Current? Current will not be there. As simple as it is. If voltage is directly proportional to current, I am telling that no voltage, there will not be no current. Okay, I will tell you. In order to understand this, focus here. Just discuss regarding the diagram. Here I will discuss about the what? Diagram. Means directly proportional to shape of the device, construction of the device. Let me tell you, if both the voltages are 0 and I am not connected any potential, previously how is the diagram? I am not connected anything, same thing. Say, means the channel is in uniform condition. As he said, there will not be any change. I will tell you in real time. You will go via scooty or bike, whatever it is. You plug into your keys, it is in neutral condition. Say some, initially it is in neutral, green condition. Neither you can move nor you can take a reverse in case of car. Say some, like that it is in steady state condition. If both the voltages are 0, the channel is uniform. Neither it increases nor it decreases. This channel is neither it increases nor decreases. Nothing will happen to depletion layer. This is depletion layer. Whatever this layer is there, that is your depletion layer. Nothing will happen to depletion layer. Clear? Say sir. Means indirectly I am saying diagram will be same. Nothing will change in the diagram. Now second case, let me take you second case. If VDS is equal to 0 and VGS I have decreased from 0, what I am doing? I am decreasing VGS from 0. Decreasing means from 0 means decreasing means what values? Yeah, good. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. What is the highest value?
Minus
5. Not minus. What is the highest value you can view? You can feed 5. Because even it will become PN junction diode. PN. So maximum operating voltage is 5. Now what will happen here? Anybody in the class? I am giving minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 here. And this is 0. very simple. I am giving -1 here, -2, -3, -4, -5. It may be -4, -5. Then what will happen here? Okay, what is this? Focus here. If I draw like this, what it is? Yeah, tell me what instantly. P and junction. This is junction. Here the junction what I will have? Depletion. Good. Now if I connect P to positive, N to negative, what will happen? It is under forward bias condition. In forward bias condition, current will increase. Now I am telling that I am connecting a negative voltage. See here, P. What is P? What is this? Positive. To what? Negative. This area is completely N. This is N. This is N. What I am connecting? Positive. Negative to positive. Positive to negative. Means it is under reverse bias. That's why I said you should not be any junction diode forward. You have to think somewhat. Negative to positive. Positive to negative. Means I am applying a reverse voltage. I am increasing the reverse voltage. This will be under reverse bias condition. Under reverse bias condition, your depletion layer increases. Means, look at the diagram. I will make a changes in the diagram. So this is my depletion layer. This is my depletion layer. This they gonna increases. Reason here, until unless both the metals comes in physical contact. Until unless this is metal, depletion layer increases. Clear? So at a certain voltage, at a certain reverse voltage, VGS is what? Reverse voltage. At a certain reverse voltage, your channel is going to cut off. This will break the channel. Say so, you increase the depletion layer. Majority carriers will not cross. Depletion layer what increases. This will cut off the channel. Certain voltage, certain reverse voltage is going to cut the channel, cut off the channel. That voltage is called as cut off voltage. Understandable? The depletion layer gonna increases when maybe at 4 voltage, maybe 4.4, -4.3, -4.5, maybe any voltage. That voltage, at that voltage, your depletion layer comes in physical contact. If they come in physical contact, channel is going to cut off. Here I have drawn a line, channel cut off. That voltage is called as, what is that? Cut off. As simple as it is. If you know P N junction diode reverse bias, if you think for some time, you can write anything. You can write the answer. Clear? Got the point? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Don't shake your head. Reply me say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now third case, last case. If VGS is equal to 0 and VDS is increased from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will happen? What will happen? Yeah, you guys are right. Say it confidently. Yeah. Focus here. This is 0. This voltage is 0. Now what is source? Source is negative terminal. Drain is positive. Look the potential. Negative to the negative, positive to the positive. It becomes that will behave like a PN junction diode under forward bias condition. Means diagram will change. You have to change the diagram. There will not be any depletion layer. There will not be any depletion layer. If there is no depletion layers, electrons will move from source to drain. They will travel from source to drain. Current will flow from drain to source. Because drain is positive terminal, source is negative terminal. It is a unipolar device. Always current flow from positive to negative. Electrons will move from source to drain. Current will move from drain to source. Current will increases because it will act as a under forward bias condition. And this current depends on certain factor. Which current? What is that? Drain current. Come again. Repeat it me. Drain current. It depends means it has a certain factor. This magnitude, this value depends on certain factor. Those are nothing but rho L A. tell you what are those. Rho is nothing but resistivity of this channel. Resistivity or conductivity? Resistivity. Correct. In case here, rho is nothing but here conductivity of the channel. L is length of this channel. Channel means this complete area. Apart from P, this complete whatever the area, whatever I am feeding, this is your channel. What I am telling? Conductivity means how many numbers of electrons are there. What is the count of electron? If electron increases, conductivity increases. Yes or no? As simple as it is. Why? This is the n channel configuration. Conductivity of the channel, length of the channel, how much length they have taken, n-type semiconductor material. Maybe that kind of length, maybe small length. And area of the channel at C, from B to C. What is the area of the channel? So, concentrate here. So, this channel will behave as a resistor of the resistance. R is equal to rho L by A. That is only the formula. R is equal to rho L by A. This completely channel will behave like a resistor of resistance. R is equal to rho L by A. Understandable? What is rho? Conductivity. L, as simple as it is. Length. A, area of the channel. Length of the channel. Conductivity of the channel. Now, what is I? In general, right here. In general, I is equal to what? In general, I am asking. V by R. I will write ID. This will become VDS. ID is equal to VDS by R. Just substitute R is equal to rho L by A. You will get I D is equal to what you will get? VDS into A. Yeah, good. VDS into A divided by rho L. That is your current. Means value of the current depends on that. Your current may increases, may decreases based on those values. VDS, A, rho L. Clear? Say some. As simple as it is. I'll repeat. If both the voltages are 0, completely channel is in uniform condition, steady state condition. Nothing will happen to depletion region. Neither it increases nor it decreases. No change in the diagram. Second case, VDS is 0. VGS is negative voltage. This is the reverse voltage. -1, -2, -3, -4, 5 like that. So positive is connected to N, negative is connected to P. Means it is under reverse bias condition. If it is under reverse bias condition, depletion layer increases. They will come in a physical contact. It may be any voltage. It may be -3.5 to 3.7, -4.7, whatever it is. That voltage is making to cut off this channel. That voltage is called as what? Cut off voltage. Third case, VGS is 0, VDS is increased. I am increasing forward voltage. Negative to the negative, positive to the positive. Means it will act as under forward bias condition. And this complete channel will act as a resistor. R is equal to rho L by A. ID is equal to VDS by R. ID is equal to rho VDS into A divided by rho L. Current will depends on those factors. What is current? Drain current is your output current. Drain is output terminal output current. Clear? So you will say your yes, sir.